Well, hello everyone. I'm just going to do a quick video about BTC and where we are today in the daily and the weekly. I don't really charge much on the hourly, except if it's a bigger time frame, like above 7 hours. So here we are. We are now on the daily, and we have a very particular RSI movement here. We broke down really bad. As you can see, I was thinking it was going to hold this support, and it didn't. But now we have a bigger chance, a better chance to hold this one. And I am hoping for that. As you can see, we already bounced once. It happened here before in the 38, 39 level RSI. And it could be a fake support, and then we might end up going all the way to the bottom of the 30. But anyways, this is the daily. What I am expecting is the daily to bounce, for the simple reason that I want the daily to break. Once the daily breaks, it will turn bearish, and by default we'll have all charts in a bearish. And I'm gonna do weekly here. As you can see, I'm gonna change the weekly. The weekly is super bearish, and this is not the chart that I wanted. Let me see if I can find the other chart. Maybe this is the one. Let me go on the weekly here. Oh, this is the one that I had for a while now. Okay, so as you can see, this is some similarities. We failed to break this resistance right here on the back in 2014. We're looking back on the RSI only. I don't know what the price movement is, so but the RSI can give us an indication of where we're going. So we failed to break the support, I mean the resistance here. We failed to keep the support, which was this range. We failed to keep the second support, and now we are heading down. Of this. So as you can see, we turned bearish on the RSI. The EMA, it's super on top of the RSI movement, so that gives us an indication that we are probably gonna end up testing some of this support right here. W1, maybe a little higher. So we're about to test the second support on the weekly, but I think we're gonna end up having the same movement. We broke down, go down, and we will probably end up on the bottom of the 30. So we'll see on that weekly. And yes, for me, the weekly target hasn't changed much. I am still thinking this is the range for me, 35 to 41. I know it's a big range, but it is very doable. I know a lot of people went bears when bullish when we hit the 9900. And if we can go to my chart, I have a lot of charts and I don't have time to chart. That's funny. So if we go to the comments, yeah, I was expecting the question mark was bull flag breakout. It was questionable, that's why I put a question mark there, but you know. And for this, I had this. So we did end up testing the 9,900, but that was an initial chart based on the RSI movement and also based on the pumps. But we are here again. Little to explain, our support on the weekly has not changed since 2017, and it is still 4.8 something, and the daily is 5.8. Those two things is to keep in mind. So that is what it is. And then we went on the bull run, which was range trading from 82 to 86, I think it was, but this was support, testing support. As you can see, the RSI ended up going bullish, and this is, I wanted to take a look at this. It says 9.9 our resistance, and boom, it was 9.9922. We reversed a 9946, I think. So that was a really good prediction based on this RSI. You can see we had 1, 2, 3, and then the weekly went bearish divergence and crossover on the HE cloud. I clearly said I present this information to you, you decide what to do with it. We were trading at 8,000, 8,300, 8,400 at that time. So that's what it is. And now we are here again. We had a daily cross, and we had a daily cross. We were at 8,700, and again we have here the second cross, and we were trading at 8,300, so that was a good call for short. And now we are trading at 75, 77. So all the calls were for shorts, and for what I know right now, we are still bearish. Actually, we just turned bearish, and I'm gonna tell you why this is significant, because we were not bearish. This is not the chart. This is the one that it's a little longer. Okay, so you can see here, this is why it's significant. Then we went for 2 years without a bearish cloud, and then we turned bearish now. So just something that you might want to think about. And yes, my target still at 41.35, and I'm gonna hold. I expect for the daily to go up again. I'm gonna tell you, I expect for the daily to break this right here, and also I can show you that all the other charts are bearish. Broken chart, broken, 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 5 hours, broken. This is super bearish, and this is really bad. I don't use the 4-hour flaps too much, but it's good to buy. You can use this for small trades like I am trying to do right now. And this is 3 hours bull bearish, so you can't really trade on this one either. And you can see it started to change, so it will flip sometime soon. 2 hours is worse. You can see bulls, and it's getting traction, so it will flip sometime soon. The hourly, well, the hourly probably is already bullish. Not yet. It's getting there. So that's what I have for you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this little video, and yes, I am targeting for 4,100, 3,500, and I will enter new shorts around 83, 84 when the daily breakdown. Again, let me see. So when this breakdown, that'll be my endpoint. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this little video, and if you like it, you know what's up.